Here is your independent learning for today. Let's go ahead and start out with Benchmark Advanced. We're looking at pages 10 and 11 today. First off, write your name on the line. R-controlled vowel. Draw the picture for car, yard, and jar. Handwriting practice, W, N, capital I. Copy these on there by tracing them, and then write it 5 more times after that. Context clues. Pick the meaning of the underlined word. Do not leave the house in bare feet. Bare could be dirty, covered, or uncovered. Bubbling, which one makes sense? Emma, oh my gosh, Emma started to shiver in the cold. Shiver could be tremble, dance, or play. Bubbling, which one makes sense? Spelling, which is correct? What's the correct way to spell March? March. Inflectional endings, ed and ing. Write both endings for these words. Play, show, help, talk. Those are the base words. Write them what made sense. Then high frequency words, read and write there, to, and walk, wherever it makes sense. Okay, let's go to page 11. Name neatly on the line, please. R-controlled vowel, write the ER words. ER words where they make sense. Handwriting practice, please trace the X, W, and capital S neatly on the lines. Shades of meaning, think of words. Can you write down 4 more words for the word jump? Greeting or closing, we got to fix it. It's either a greeting or a closing for Dear Mrs. Cook. Fix it there. High frequency words for found, learn, and only. Write them down where it makes sense. Spelling, which is correct? What's the correct way to spell winter? Winter. Compound sentences, put the 2 sentences together. We played on the slide. We played on the swings. How about this? We played on the slide and on the swings. Get rid of we played. Get rid of your period. Write the word and. Write it completely correctly on the line. Compound sentences, okay? Make it better. All right, let's go ahead and look at our math today. We're going to go ahead and take a look at page 10. First thing, write your name neatly on the line. Addition facts. Add these facts up. Write the sign, subtraction, or addition in the equations that make sense. Money. Show another way to make 25 cents. Draw it out. Number bond. Complete the number bond. Write 4 problems, 4 equations for the Math Mountain. Even or odd. 52 is either even or odd. 91 is either even or odd. Story problem. Highlight keywords. Show your work. You know how I feel about that. Show your mastery. Highlight your question. How many elves were still working? Ooh, elves. There were 14 elves making toys. 9 elves took a break. How many elves were still working? There's your equation. See if you can do a little mastery below. Place value. How many blocks are there for hundreds, tens, and ones? Subtract the subtraction over here and subtract these problems there, vertical form. All right, let's go ahead and look at page 11. Name on the line, please. Compare facts. Write less than, greater than, or equal to in the box, which makes sense. Remember, you add them up first and then you compare them. Fact families, write 4 problems using these 3 numbers, 5, 8, and 13. Write out your equations. Okay, we're going to color the coins for red for quarters and blue for dimes. Fill in the missing numbers. These are counting by 10, 44, 54, 64. These would be counting by ones. What number comes before 54 and after 54, counting by ones. Number order, write the numbers smallest to largest, that's least to greatest, 22, 26, 10, 34, and 39. Subtract these 2-digit numbers. And finally, add up these 3 numbers, add 2 first, and add the 1 after that. Use Dreambox for 30 minutes, guys, and or Raz Kids for an additional 30. Read at least 20 minutes from a good fit book. I hope you guys have a wonderful learning day, and thank you for listening.